Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Conico camera model and current firmware so you avoid incompatible steps. Once verified, make sure you have the Wi-Fi SSID and password. Conico usually requires a 2.4 GHz network. Power the camera and wait for the LED boot sequence. If it blinks, the camera is ready. Use your phone on the same network, enable Bluetooth or hotspot instructions if the app requests it, and open the Conico app to begin the pairing flow. You now proceed inside the Conico app. Tap Add Device and select your camera model. The app offers QR scan or AP access point mode. Use QR for speed, AP mode if the router blocks pairing. When prompted, scan the camera QR or connect to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi, then input your home SSID and password exactly as written. Once done, the app will push settings to the camera. Wait for confirmation tone or steady LED that indicates a successful handoff. You finish by confirming the camera appears in the app list and by renaming it for easy access. Set a strong admin password to secure the feed. Once the app shows online and the LED is steady, test live view and record a short clip to verify stability. If the camera won't connect, make sure the router's 2.4 GHz band is enabled and password characters are correct. If problems persist, reboot the camera and router, then retry using AP mode. This resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.